Liz from Eliza Coaching here, and today I'm coming to you barefaced. There's a few reasons for that. One is I don't like the smell of perfumed foundations and I hate putting on makeup. I live in a subtropical climate, so I sweat. Being the size that I am, and even though I'm smaller now, I still sweat quite a bit, and I just end up wiping it off when I'm wiping sweat off. The other reason is because I want you to see how I really look, because as I post more videos, you're going to start to see some changes, because there's a reason why my face is changed. My soul, or some people say your subconscious, but your subconscious is part of your soul, can make changes to your face for different reasons, and one of them could be protection. Just for an example, if you felt as though you were being stalked long term, and so you wanted to make yourself look different, maybe you get a haircut and maybe change the color of your hair so that you're less noticeable. So you're the same person on the inside, but you've changed your appearance on the outside for protection, and your soul can do that too. Your soul can change your appearance because it may see something as a threat that we don't realize, and so it can make those changes to protect us. So we may try to diet, or maybe try Botox or plastic surgery to try and make ourselves look better. But if we change what's going on under the surface with our subconscious or our soul, then we can come back to our beauty, our natural beauty again. Just like I've been changing my weight by letting go of the reasons that my soul chose to put weight on. So far I've lost a lot, 38 kilos. And I'm continuing to do so without changing what I eat or how much I exercise. I don't do any exercise. And so those who have been following my journey so far will notice that I've just naturally been getting slimmer. And so when you get rid of those, the protections and the reasons that you put on weight or change your facial features, then you can get back to your natural beauty. And that's what I'm all about, helping you to get back to your natural beauty. So you don't have to have supplements, you don't have to have surgeries or other expensive things to be pleased with what you see in the mirror. So my workshop, Look Good in the Mirror, is a 3-day workshop that teaches you about all these things. And then I teach you what you can do about it so you can get back to your natural beauty and your natural size without dieting and exercise. That's a fabulous life.